Hey Yandy girls, I'm gonna take our Angel from Heaven costume, and you are such a perfect angel. And I'm gonna show you the perfect makeup to go with that look. Now I'm gonna move on to her skin, and because we're doing a smoky eye, there is like extra fall off on her cheeks. So my favorite way to remove that fall off is to put a little serum, moisturizer, an illuminator, anything kind of wet or liquid for the face. Just spread that around the under eye and then take a brush and sweep it away. It sweeps away really easy. So for this angel look, you want to use some high intensity shimmer. So, I mean, if whatever your most shimmery highlighter you've got, either liquid or powder, bust it out, this is the time. So I love to put this right along the cheekbones here and carry it above onto the forehead a little, down the nose, keep its bow and a little bit on the chin. For this one, with highlighter, more is more. To complete this eye, we've got to have glitter, right? Because this outfit is so glittery. So I'm going to take some liquid glitter adhesive and close your eye. And just pat it right on the lid. And then take some cosmetic grade glitter and just press it right on top. Now I'm going to apply a wig on her. This is perfect for this angel look. First I'm going to throw on a wig cap because that's going to be the best way to keep your hair together and out of the way to prep for this wig. Now you've got your wig out of the package, give it a light brush and be sure to not use any hot tools on these because it doesn't go over really well. All right, so this is our completed Angel from Heaven look, and now I'm going to turn her into the Angel of Death. So to take this lovely angel from the Angel of Heaven to the Angel of Death, I'm going to turn her into a skeleton. So to do that, I'm going to use a bunch of cool tone colors. I'm going to contour with our Yandy palette and make it look hot. palette, I'm basically just contouring, but like backwards. So I'm using, instead of really flattering warm tones, I'm using really deep, hollow, spooky, cool tones. So I'm hollowing out her cheekbones here. And I'm gonna do around her hairline, down her nose, and then I'm gonna highlight the opposite areas that are sticking out. So I'm gonna add some highlighter here in her cheekbones and down her nose, down the bridge, and make her super creepy and dead.
Arms around you. After all this time, a symbol finally, never too deep. Come close, arms around you.
So to complete this look, I'm gonna switch wigs out to this darker one, and then she'll be the perfect angel of death.